Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number 1 equals 8 weeks. Correct. Number 2, Jennifer doesn't sing quietly. That's right. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Months. From January to December. Now we can make a flashcard for months. For pronunciation, 1 month. The TH in thank you. But for 2 months, we don't pronounce the TH. We only pronounce the S. 2 months. Please make a flashcard like this. Write month up here in the top left corner. M-O-N-T-H. Down here in the bottom left corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here the number, 104 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Month. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob speaks loud every Sunday. Bob speaks loud every Sunday. Loud. People that are very far away from him can hear him. He doesn't speak quietly. Now we can make a flashcard for speak loud. And loudly is also correct. It is in the dictionary, but we don't say it. We only say loud. Please make a flashcard like this. The basic form is to do something loud. L-O-U-D. Please write that up here in the top left corner. Down here, ADV 1. This means adverb, level 1. Over here, the number 20 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like ow. Low. Loud. Game over. You did very well today. 8 weeks equals 2 months. Correct. And does Jennifer sing quietly? No, she sings very loud. If you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Can you say number 1? Experience. Yeah, difficult word. It has 2 meanings. Number 2 is a person. Mother-in-law. Correct. And number 3, to lift. Like this. To lift something or somebody. Today is Saturday, August 2nd. If you are new Welcome! This is a complete 2-year course, Level 1. Our curriculum is rotating, so you can join anytime. Why not today? Please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say month in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.